In this lesson, I am going to show you how to end a song with a reverb or an echo in Premiere Pro. First of all, you are going to place your playhead at the point where you want the echo or the reverb to start from. So let's say right here, and then you are going to make a cut right there by pressing Ctrl K on your keyboard. And then right click on the little piece and select Nest. And then you are going to create a nested sequence, and then double click on the nested sequence, and then head over to your projects panel, right click, new item, and then create a black video. Click on OK, and then click and drag the black video onto the timeline. And then make sure the black video is very much longer than the clip. And then you are going to save that and then head back to the main sequence. Head over to Effects and search for Studio Reverb. And then click and drag the effect onto the nested sequence on the timeline. And then you're going to head over to Effects Controls, select or click on Edit, and then you are going to set decay to 10,000 milliseconds. And then increase the duration of the nested sequence in the timeline. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.